Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sean Charles says the weekly reports on COVID-19 cases on the island show a steady increase in positive cases over the past week.
We have noted a steady increase in the number of detections of COVID cases. All right. For example, for the last week that we monitored, 71 cases were detected. The week before that, 42, and the week before that, 26. So, as can be noted, we're seeing a gradual increase in the number of cases. Now, this is nowhere near to the numbers that we were seeing when we were experiencing the more acute phases or the more earlier phases of the COVID pandemic. But it calls our attention to the fact that this condition is still there, and we ask the public to still be mindful that it is there.
The doctor, who was speaking at a recent press conference, advised the population to wear their mask and follow other protocols that will hinder the spread of the virus. This, he said, is important to ensure that the country will not have to implement strict measures to keep the spread of COVID-19 at bay. Dr. Charles also stated that the number of respiratory cases recorded for the year so far is slightly higher compared to previous years. He revealed that the island has experienced 2 spikes in various respiratory viruses.
Now, earlier in the year, that first increase in cases, all right, were due to a different set of viruses as compared to the second spike. Now, earlier in the year, we noted that a number of common cold viruses such as rhinovirus and parainfluenza and human metapneumovirus. These are common cold viruses. These cause infections routinely on an annual basis. Many people get over them without any issue. But later on, we had the introduction of the H1N1 influenza and a virus called respiratory syncytial virus. Right? Both of these also cause acute respiratory infection, but the infections that they cause can be a little more severe as compared to the routine common cold viruses.
Meanwhile, the CMO said dengue fever cases on the island have dropped.
And so far, I'm pleased to report that for the past 4 weeks, we have noted progressive decreases in the number of cases of dengue. All right, we have noted progressive decreases in the number of cases of dengue. This is a positive sign. All right, but we are mindful that we are in the rainy season, and there are many opportunities that mosquitoes can find to breed and spread the disease as a result.
Rena Pitt Thomas, GBN News.